Found a web page saved with a TML extension instead of the usual HTML? This is typically a mislabeled or variant HTML file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you the simple fix to get these web pages displaying properly in your browser. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the TML error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. TML files are web page files that typically contain HTML Hypertext Markup Language content saved with a TML extension, rather than the standard HTML or HTM extension. They may result from file extension truncation, naming conventions in specific applications, or template systems that use the TML variant designation. TML files are web page files that typically contain HTML hypertext markup language content saved with a TML extension, rather than the standard HTML or HTM extension. They may result from file extension truncation, naming conventions in specific applications, or template systems that use the TML variant designation. Most installations default to associating Google Chrome from Google LLC with TML. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows can load simple web pages, but complex frameworks require proper serving. Open the menu by right-clicking your TML file and choosing Open With. Test Google Chrome if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the TML file differently. If your TML file still refuses to open, stay calm. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the TML file is still stubborn, look for one of these 3 basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, open in a web browser. Drag the TML file directly into any web browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. If the browser does not render it automatically, right-click the file, select Open With, and choose your preferred browser. The browser's HTML parser processes the markup and displays the web page content normally. Next, rename to HTML. Right-click the TML file and select Rename. Change the extension from TML to HTML. This allows the operating system and applications to properly associate the file with web browsers and HTML editors. Double-clicking the rename file now opens it in your default browser automatically. Finally, edit the source code. Open the TML file in Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, or any text editor with HTML syntax highlighting. Review and edit the HTML markup, CSS styles, and script references. The file structure follows standard web development conventions and can be maintained using any web development tool or code editor. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.